I need to show you in order to be able to set your business policies, you can be able to streamline posting to and from FlipOps to your eBay account. Have to be able to show you where the settings are in order to connect everything. If you already have existing policies at under settings, you'll be able to set your eBay policies automatically. But if you don't have policies, this video is for you. I'm at the menu right now, and this is where I need to go. We'll go to my collection, my eBay. I'm sorry. We're going to go to my eBay in the menu. Just click it and it will take you right here. And then you're going to go to account, and at the bottom, you're going to see business policy right here. And you're going to go ahead and click that. And then we're going to do one by one, but I'm going to show you what I have set up versus what you have to set up. You're going to be creating payment, return, and shipping. Without these policies in place, when you start trying to list from FlipOps, you will not be able to transfer over the items to and from FlipOps to eBay. If you do have these already in place, then don't worry. You just have to set these up. But otherwise, I'm going to delete these old ones here. That way I don't have duplicates. All right. We're going to go one by one, and we're going to create a policy, and we are going to create payment. And I'm going to go ahead and open up the existing policy, and you can pretty much copy this verbatim. The policy name, just set it as FlipOps default payment. That's it. And then require immediate payment when buyer buys. And that's it. Unless you want to allow offline payment, that's up to you. But I would recommend that you have immediate payment. Next up is going to be the return policy here. We're going to open up the current policy that I have. Same thing. And then whatever your current return policy is for domestic and international, I set it at 30 days. You can set it at 14, 30, or 60 days. Return shipping paid by the buyer or free to the buyer, you pay. It's up to you how you want to set your policies. And then the refund is money back or replacement. I don't do any internationals. I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And the last policy here is the shipping. And this is where it's going to matter the most, because how your shipping is integrated is going to matter. When an item is created, it's created based off these policies. Standard shipping for me, I usually just do clothing items. Domestic is going to be flat, same cost for all buyers. So I usually have it as buyer pays, but they will pay for just $5, and then I cover whatever else that's left on the shipping. Usually it's about $3 to a few cents. I don't do international shipping. I don't offer local pickup, and my handling time is 2 business days. And then that's it. And when you go into FlipOps, you'll be able to, I'm going to go ahead and refresh this list here. And as you can see, I have only these policies that I created on eBay. When you create an item and you create a haul that is where you're moving an item to and from FlipOps into eBay seller, all those policies are going to get attached to when you move it over to eBay. That way your shipping policies match across the board. If you look at one of my products that I have right now on the store, you're going to see that it has exact matching shipping policy that I have. $5 ground, 30-day return, buyer pays return shipping. If you use an eBay shipping label, it will be deducted from your refund amount. It's taking eBay policies and integrating them into the system. Everything that happens from FlipOps, whether you have to make edits, you do it from here, and it will reflect on your listings. If you need to re-edit and relist, you edit it here and you move it over, and those policies follow accordingly to how you have it initially set up. If you already have eBay policies from other apps, don't change those. Just keep them in line. Or if you want to change policies, you could be able to do in order to have different policies for different applications that you may have tied to eBay.